bakers and chefs, welcome to my kitchen. So if this is your first time to watch my video, and if you like it, just click subscribe, leave a comment and share my YouTube, and we're gonna see you on my next video. But for now, I'm going to make you an Italian meringue. So how to make a perfect Italian meringue? So I have this video or demo that will show you how to do it perfectly. So at this point of time, we need to mix all together the sugar, the 500 grams of sugar and 125 grams of water. Let it boil until we reach the desired temperature. So at this time, we have only like 110, 11 degrees centigrade. So it's not yet, so we need to reach 117 degrees centigrade. So we need to put the egg in our mixer, then let it stir first, put in a medium speed, and then in a high speed. So at this point, we need a soft peak for our egg whites before we are going to mix our sugar. So it looks like our egg is almost there, but maybe I feel like in 1 minute we already reached the soft peak. I'm gonna show you how the soft peak look like. So this is ready. So if the sugar is ready too, we can put the sugar anytime on our egg mixture. So we're gonna check the temperature of our sugar, and how is it now? So it's already 117, still going down. So if we reach 117, which means that's ready. So we're gonna check it again. There you go, guys, it's 117, and then it's time for us to pour our sugar in our egg whites. So keep stirring, keep mixing, and then slowly by slowly pouring our sugar. And then after that, we pour everything already there, it's the time we put our mixer into a high speed. So as you can see, our egg whites already doubled in size, and it's become like thicker. And let's see, guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks like if it's almost done. But actually this is already done, and it's really good, shiny and very stable Italian meringue. So if you want to make it more like stiff, then keep on mixing until you reach that desired, steep peak if you want. If you like a soft peak, so this one is ready. So this kind of meringue, you can use this for any kind of cookies, just like your macarons or French macaron. Or if you want to make a flour, dehydrated meringue flour, then you can do that. So I have some basic pipings there, as you can see, that I did out from my Italian meringue. It looks very nice. And then we have to dehydrate that for if you have the oven, and then in a low temperature for the whole night, and then you will get a very good candied meringue. And that's for our video for our Italian meringue for today. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next week. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and share my video. Bye!